This issue introduces to you the wiring of the chlorine dioxide monitor. After getting the product, we first observe its appearance, structure, and product label information. Then we look at the probe of the monitor sensor and the wiring definition. First of all, we prepare a power cord and pay attention to the wiring definition. The two pins 7 and 8 are connected to the power supply. The power supply here is 220 VAC. If other voltages are required, it can be customized. We use a screwdriver to connect the wires accordingly. Connect it. The second step is to connect the sensor. The three wires of the sensor, Ray, C, and V, correspond to the three terminals 17, 18, and 19. Use a screwdriver to connect them accordingly so that the tester the wiring is completed. After power on test, the display is normal. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next issue.